when we lose desire for the objects that are seen or described in the scriptures, it could be higher states or higher lokas or wealth or whatever is described in the scriptures, then that is called vairagya. That is what we saw in the previous sutra. And Maharishi Patanjali further says, Tatparam Purushakyater Gunavai Trishnyam. Tatparam Purushakyater Gunavai Trishnyam. So he further elaborates, saying that the same vairagya is higher when there is a certain indifference to the gunas, that is to the qualities, sattva, rajas and tamas, because of the knowledge of the Purusha. When we see the limitedness of the things that are around us as well as possibilities mentioned in the scriptures, then we become indifferent to them. None of our actions or thoughts or desires will be towards attaining them, but more come from a sense of detachment while doing any action. So that is what is mentioned here. When we get the knowledge of the Purusha, which is the ultimate, which is beyond our perception, then we get into a higher state of vairagya. Vyasa Bhashya elaborates, saying that he whose will to know is fulfilled with the knowledge of the indistinctive nature of the Purusha, which is brought through abhyasa, then becomes indifferent to the gunas of both the manifest and unmanifested. Of the two forms of vairagya, the latter one, that is what Vyasa Bhashya says, the latter one is the light of spiritual knowledge. When this light shines, then vairagya arises. And the yogi who is established in this thinks that whatever has to be obtained has been obtained. Whatever kleshas have to be destroyed are destroyed. And the tightly joined chain of life and death, which is ordinarily not broken, and there is birth after that death and death after birth, and this entire cycle has been broken. And hence this vairagya is nothing but the highest perfection of spiritual knowledge and complete independence or kaivalya. Jnanasyaiva parakashta vairagyam etasyaiva hi nantariyakam kaivalyamiti. That is what the Vyasa Bhashya says, that extreme vairagya is nothing but jnana, and that is nothing but kaivalya. And hence when we go beyond the qualities, the gunas, because of the fundamental knowledge of the Purusha, then that is a higher form of vairagya.